Okay, in the name of God, the most powerful and the most merciful, welcome to our Mr. Channel, sharing and learning for the bright future. Well, I hope peace and blessing for all of us always. And in this time, I would like to share about one of my lecture in my university. It is about statistic tests, and it will be a concern on the correlation. So let's find out. Alright, so here actually we will look into about what is correlation first. So correlation analysis is a statistics test to know the relation of the variable. For example, here, the correlation between x variable and y variable. Actually, I would like to conduct the analysis by using IBM SPSS number 23, and here I have a raw data. The data is about the students' skip lines and achievement of the students. Here I want to know about, is there any correlation between students' skip line and the achievements of the students? So let's find out. First of all, we are going into IBM SPSS statistic. We just need to click down here. We will wait a little time because this application with quite precise. So first we just need to put the name here, the variable's name, this skip line. Okay, this skip line. Okay, so this is the first one, and then achievement. Okay, for this box, look at this decimal. We just need to take this one to be 0 because we don't need a 2 point behind the comma beyond the. Alright, then go into the data view. Of the variable view, we go into data view. So we are taking the data first from the top point here. We just need to take the data, okay, and copy here. After that, we go to this skip line box first and paste. Okay, one finish, and then we take this one again. Just take it a little bit, copy, and enter this one for achievement and paste here. So we have two data right now, the skip line and achievement. What is the next step is we just need to go analyze menu. This one, analyze. Okay, there are many menu here we can choose, but actually because we are going to know about is there any correlation, so we need to focus on correlate. Well, in correlate, there are types of correlate too, bivariate, partial, or distance. But today we are taking for bivariate. Why? Because for this variable we need bivariate correlation. It's about person correlation. Yeah, look at this one. Person. We take for person, and then we just need to put this skip line and achievement in variables box. 1, 2. After that, we just take OK, and this is it, the result of correlation analysis for statistics. Well, right now we want to know, is there any correlation or not? We just need to find out again. We go to this one again, and then we directly go to correlation. Okay, so here the formula. If the data has correlation if the significance is lower than 0.05, and contrary, if the data hasn't correlated, if the significance is higher than 0.05. So this is the first rules we need to know. Well, so we just need to look the significance in our box, in our Spss. Okay, go to this one and find here. Look at this one. The result is significance to take 0.000 or 0.000. That means it's lower than 0.05. In other words, this data, this keep lines and achievement has a correlation. While after that, in correlation, we need to know too about how strong, how weak the correlation between the two variables. And to know that, we directly go to, okay, this one is the value and correlation. Look at this one, percent correlation. If the data is 0.000 to 0.20, that means no correlation. Okay, we take for this one really, and then we look up for this one, percent correlation. Then need to copy this one. Okay, maybe I can take this one first. Paste. Okay, look at this one. Wait a second. We just need to copy here. The correlation is this one, 0.729. That means the correlation, look at this, well, this one, strong correlation. The data is, the point is 0.61 to 0.80, because the result is 0.729. That means the correlation is strong, not perfect correlation, not until perfect correlation. But here we got for this one, strong correlation. Well, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the video, and may God give us benefit from this tutorial, and see you for the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.